Hello and welcome to the Faisal channel. In today's tutorial, we'll talk about the correct way to open a new layer in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, a lot of people might have read the video title and thought, what is this? This is such an easy video, everyone knows this. Because anyone who uses Photoshop already knows that the very first thing you can learn is how to open a new layer or a new layer in Photoshop. But we're going to explain both the traditional method that everyone knows and the method that this video was made for to make it easier, faster, and reusable. This method works for any version of Photoshop, whether it's an old one or any future version, God willing. Because, as everyone knows, Adobe releases a new version every year or two, depending on new discoveries or developments. Let's take a look together. First, let's open the selection tool. This is a square. Now, the first method we have is by clicking here, and now I have a new layer that's very well known and super easy. Let's go back to it. The second method is using the shortcut, which is Command plus Shift plus N on a Mac, or Control plus Shift plus N on a PC with Windows. Alright, let's hit Alright, and now we have a new layer. Alright, and of course, what's also well known is how I can fill this layer, which is done by pressing Alt and Delete, or Alt and the Delete key, and now it's filled. Now, after I filled it here and finished the design and everything, the client requested a specific color change. In this case, I'm going to face a problem if I want to go back, see the layer, make a selection, and so on. Now, we're going to explain the method that this video was made for, which is a technique not a lot of people know about. I keep a selection here, just like you see. I go to Layer, alright. Here, I have something called New Fill Layer. Alright, I have Gradient, Pattern, and Solid Color here. Right now, we want the solid color. Of course, this method also works for gradients and patterns. I choose Solid Color. I give Alright. Great! One of the benefits of this method is that I can see the color changing in real time, just like you see here the color is changing with me. In other cases, I can't see the color as it changes. Alright, for example, we chose red and clicked Alright. Now I have 2030 liras. I'm working on my design. At some point, I want to change the red color to green or something else. I just double-click on the layer, and it opens this box again so I can choose. Believe me, guys, a lot of advanced designers and even experienced designers who have been working for years either don't know this method properly or don't realize how easy it is or how much it can make things easier for them. That was our explanation today about the correct way to open a new layer in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we hope you'll subscribe to the channel.